Most of them, they answered, no, I don't need God. They don't need God because they're
Ayun
rich.
pala.
They're
Ganda
not
nga.
like us. Some of us are just like me na every day I pray for blessing for my Meralco. I pray blessing for my Judith. No? Judith na lahat. Pagdating nakatapos na, kasama credit card, kasama tubig, kasama tuition fee. All my children are taking medicine. How can I do that without praying? But those rich people didn't do that. They didn't do that. That's why sometimes they answer, I don't need God. I have everything. And there are people who are just like this black handkerchief. They're poor,
Anong gusto
they're
mo?
sad.
Bulaklak.
Sometimes
Oo,
they think that they're
butterfly,
losers.
Puso.
You know, I said, no, many years ago, I had an accident. I burned myself. So, sabi ko, frankly speaking, what is my take on my accident? Ano yung lesson na nasunog ako? Hindi ko lang nakalimutan, hindi ko alam na meron ganito. Kung pinakita ko po, magugulat kayo na ganito pa itsura ko ngayon. Talagang half of my face po, sunog na sunog. Gang head. Because of fire. And, anong take ko dito? God, pinaramdam niya sa akin na hell is real. Have you tried mapasok? Ang tawag sa ma-burn? Yeah. Yun ang take ko doon. When I was in the hospital, no, I'm shouting. I'm a big guy, but sakit. Kasi half of my face niliha para matanggal yung dead skin. Pero yun na-take ko eh. Yun ang take ko doon sa experience ko. That we need Jesus Christ, we need God, because or else we'll go to hell. Who wants to go to hell? Nobody. Who wants to go to heaven? All of us. Who wants to go to Hong Kong Disneyland?
Me.
Ba't mas marami nagtaas?
Me.
We want to go to heaven, di ba? Not to hell. That's why we need Jesus Christ. But you know what? But you know what? Okay. One time, I was doing a show at East Avenue Medical Center under the cancer department. A 7-year-old kid approached me. And he asked me, Kuya Arnold, do you believe in God? I answered him, of course, yes. But the kid shouted, he said, ako kuya, I hate God. Is that okay? Okay lang yon. Okay lang. It's okay. Are you sure? Okay, now listen to the story. Listen to the story.
Ang ganda.
One time, this kid, no, nag-chemotherapy. You know what's chemotherapy? Nagpapagamot siya for his cancer. And then, sabi niya sa akin, alam mo kuya, why I hate God? I hate God because God created poor people. Is that true? There is poor people? Yes, there is, right? And this kid is so poor. Just like this small rope. This short rope represents poor people, just like this kid, that kid.
Yan, mukha ka ng
Oh,
diwata.
kids, quiet, quiet, listen. Look at me, look. Okay. And there are people who are not so poor, not so rich. And there are rich people. That's why he's mad with God, because he's only 7 years old. He's very sick and very poor. But I said, hey, listen, you're wrong. Maybe there are poor people just like this small rope. Maybe they're not so poor, not so rich people just like this medium rope. Or maybe they're rich people just like this long rope. But the love of God is equal for everyone. Especially the one Jesus Christ did on the cross. He died for all of us. Just like these ropes. Are they equal?
Ay, ka din ba?
Not yet. But when you shout, God is good, ready, go.
Ako,
Oh,
ay,
yeah.
sige, ikaw muna. Share.
The ropes are equal. There's no small rope. There's no medium rope.
Ay, 5 na pala.
And there's no large rope. Because we are all equal in the eyes of God. Come on, clap your hands, everybody.